Okay, my mind is blown because now you can take any website URL, paste it into Gempages, and its AI tool will recreate the entire layout inside your Shopify store. Let me show you how it works. Start with a blank Gempages page, then click on this blue link at the center of the page. Here's where you can paste the URL of any web page that you like. I love the Glasson's website, so let's bring that in. Click generate. It takes a while, but look at this. Of course, it's not exactly the same, but it does have the most important part, which is the structure, because it gives you the foundation you need to build from. It's gonna steal my job, but hey, it's good for you. To try this yourself, you'll need a Shopify account, which you can get for $1 a month for the first 3 months with the link in my description. Once you've logged in, you'll need to install Gempages. And if you use my affiliate link to sign up, it'll really help support this channel. Alright, so now let's get back to the fun part and clean up the page we just generated. Like here, it thought this row of tiles was a single image, so let's fix that. Start by deleting anything you don't need. Then you can drag in the correct elements from the library here on the left. I'm going to drag in an image, a row with 2 columns, text, and a button to copy the original layout. And then you can customize them. I mean, the idea is you can virtually click on anything on the page and all these customization options will show up on the left-hand side, like font size, style, color, spacing. So I'm just gonna make some edits here. And when that's done, you can check what it looks like on mobile view. You just have to click on the mobile icon up here. Now you're in mobile mode. The tweaks you make in this mode won't affect desktop, so you can fine-tune both layouts separately. Once your section looks good, just copy and paste the setup to the other columns to save some time. This is the gist for editing any element on your page. Rule of thumb, just click on anything you want to edit, explore the settings, and make it your own. I'll fast forward here as I clean up the rest of the page, but just remember, the goal is to use the AI as a starting layout, then fine-tune everything to match your brand. This process can save you hours of fiddling with the settings, especially if you're new to Shopify and you're unfamiliar with how it works. Also, here's something I discovered that'll make your AI generation results way more accurate. Instead of pasting a full URL, build section by section. First, take a screenshot of the layout you want, upload it to the AI tool, and let it generate that section. This method gives you way more control and less cleanup later. You also want to make sure the screenshot you're giving it has a clean structure, also without any detailed text or fancy graphics. If you want more information about how to get the best results, Gempages has an official guideline, which I'll also link in the description. Once you're happy with the design, it's time to go live. So go to your Gempages dashboard, scroll down to find your page, click on the 3-dot menu, and clone to other page types. Choose home page. If you're on the free plan, unpublish your original page, hover over the duplicated one, and click on replace home page. So now if you go to the live site, you get your AI generated page. Now you have a gorgeous high converting website, but all your effort will mean nothing if nobody knows it exists. Ads are hella expensive, and it's a quick way to go broke, especially if you're just starting out your Shopify store. And that's why you need SEO. It'll help your Shopify store show up when people Google what you sell. So that way you don't have to spend any money on ads. If you're new to it, I've got a beginner tutorial for you, so make sure you check it out and I'll see you there.